Hello and welcome to my proving grounds. This is the holiday season. Everybody's already finished with Thanksgiving, going through Black Friday sales, and I'm not going to try to plug any particular stores or anything because I don't have any advertising dollars coming in, so it doesn't matter. This version of Linux that you're looking at is Ultramarine. I'm going to be using this in order to do a couple of examples here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and bring up my terminal. Yeah, I know. I probably could have put up an icon or something. I'll get to that when I get to that, but this is fairly simple. One of the very few things that most people don't bring up, because if you're writing in any kind of shell scripting in most Linux or on a Mac, it's going to be in Bash, which stands for Bourne Again Shell. But there are other types of shells out there. There's the original Bourne Shell, and then there's also Z Shell and KornShell. Uh, First thing, if you want to know what kind of shell you're running in, you can do it like this. You can do an echo. And of course, let's click in here first. Echo, little $, and then a 0. And it tells you you're in Bash. That's great. Now, let's say you wanted to go into Bourne Shell. You just type in sh, and this is the indicator for Bourne Shell. Don't understand why, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain. If we did the exact same thing and did an echo, $0, I'm assuming this will work. It tells you you're in shell, not bash. Now, if I wanted to move over to, let's say, Z shell, most of the times I would go back to bash, but I've never tried it from here, from Bourne. So let's see if it works. The command should be zsh. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if we switch shells or if it did not. I'm in Z shell. Awesome. Now, if I want to get out of one and into the other, or I just want to get out of Z shell, I can just type in exit. I'm back in Bourne. If I hit exit again, not exer, but exit, and it told me it took me a minute and 10 seconds, but where am I at? Let's see. I'm back in Bash. If I hit exit one more time, I'm going to kick myself right out of Bash. Easy peasy. Now, if I go over here and I bring it back, I'm going to try to access a file. Now, I just want to see the contents. I could just do cat, or I could just go into Vim, vi, depending on how you want to do it, vi, and let me see, what was the name that I actually put in? Script notes. I believe this is what I wrote, .txt, because this is not a shell script or anything like that. And this is pretty much what we just talked about right now. We talked about the shell, the different types of shells, and the commands to get in them and out of them. We'll be going through a couple of other things along the way, but this is just the primer. And this is mostly a review for myself, my kids, and anybody else that needs to actually know a little bit more about the shell, how to get in and out of it. And if they want to learn more, there will be more coming up. That is pretty much it.